this is MA. Welcome back to my channel. So last month, I received an email from Inloveartshop, and it's a shop for arts and craft. And they asked me if I would like to review their products, and of course I said yes. And I'm so thankful that they trusted me. So the name of the company is Inloveartshop. It's a worldwide free shipping on orders over $25 and take 15% of all orders with the code of InLoveArts. So they offer some discount products, and I will give you the discount code if you like to order in their online shop. And so here is the website. You can check different products, and my favorite ones are die cuts and stamp, but I choose some random products that I don't have in my stash. So let's do the unboxing and check out the items. So this is the parcel that I received last month. First is the silver foil sheet. It's quite smaller, and the size is 8 by 15 centimeter, and it has 10 sheets in one pack. It's a little bit damaged. Some part of the sheets had scratch. So here is my sample. I made a Christmas card, and I foiled this small strip and added to my card. Again, I'm not an expert in foiling, but I just want to try it. So this is the result of the foiling. Next is this metal dice. This is a number design from 0 to 9, and I really love the details. But the number 0, 1, and 2, it's quite smaller than the rest, and it measures 1 1/4 by 1 1/4 inches. Then the rest is 1 3 1/4 by 1 3/8 inches. So this metal die, it cuts like butter, and it's only one pass to my machine. And here are the sample project that I made for Christmas. So I use the number 2 and 5, then I run it to my machine several times to add a dimensional effect on my card. Then I added this beautiful 3D design that I got from Action Store. So this is a Christmas book sheet that I got from Action Store, and you just have to peel it off and follow the instruction. So I'm using a 3D foam adhesive to add a dimension to my card, and I also added a baker's twine, a cute postcard, buttons, and small embellishments from my mesh ribbon. So when you open this card, it will stand like this, and I also added some washi tape that I got from my husband. Then I stamp this Christmas sentiments and stick it with a 3D foam adhesive. Another sample is this Christmas card, and I use a mirror cardstock for the numbers. This is the same package that I used with another card. Then this is the strip with the foiling effect, but it was a little bit damaged. And I also added baker's twine. This is just a simple card. This is for my husband's grandmother. Next is this cute little ink daubers. It has 3 pieces in one pack. And as you can see in my other video, I only use a DIY ink dauber using a foam and a lipstick cup. So I choose this because I don't have it in my stash. I love to use this. It doesn't rip out or fuzzy the foam while spreading the ink on my stencil. So here is my sample, and as you can see, the foam doesn't fuzzy out. Next is this embossing folder. This is a happy birthday design, and the size is 4.13 inches by 5.82 inches. I have several embossing folders, but I like this because it's perfect for a masculine type of card or any project. So I decided to make a birthday card for my husband. I cut a piece of cardstock with a mirror effect, then stick it to another cardstock, and I also added 2 strips of cardstock. Then I stick a vintage sticker, and I got this sticker from Action Store. This is from Decorative. Then I also added this stuff for a stamp, and I cut this, and I cut a die cut and added a sentiment and this baker's twine. So this is just a simple card for a birthday. So the last one is this cute little vintage stickers. It has 50 pieces in one pack. This is clear stickers with particular designs and different sizes. So I made a tag, then I adhere to a different designs in the middle of the stickers, and I also stick it in the box. I really don't have any idea what to do with these stickers, so if you have any suggestion, please comment down below. So I just fussy cut this butterfly and add the stickers in the center, and I used my die cut C6 for the tag. Again, this is sponsored by Inloveartshop. Please do visit their website and check out their various products and get a discount from the code that I will add to my description box down below. My favorite products are dies and stamp, but I want to try some of their products that I don't have in my stash. I hope you like this video. Give a thumbs up, share with your friends and family to get a discount code, and enjoy your shopping. Please do subscribe if you like this video, leave a comment down below, and click the bell notification to get more updated. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye!